Man, look at the quality of the camera. Amazing. I can see the whole neighborhood from behind me. Best backup camera. All right. Hello RV people. All right, on this video I'd like to show you how to install a wireless backup camera on your RV. So this brand is a Lee Kolu, which is pretty good. As you can see, simple way is basically I'm gonna be installing it using the power from the marker lights. So as you can see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 marker lights. So I'm just going to remove the center marker light and then instead connect the wireless backup camera. So as you can see, the camera, all you have to do is it has the positive and negative. So you connect this to the positive and positive red, the negative is white. So you connect that to the backup camera. So what you do is basically you remove your marker light right here, and then as you can see, you pull it out. There's two held by two screws, and then you basically cut it and then connect the camera positive to red, negative to white. And then basically you have to you can use one of these holes. I had a secondary hole, so but you can basically install it here and then seal it properly. And then you make sure that your camera is going to be powered as long as your headlight is on, basically. But whenever you want to back up, you can your headlight has to be on. The power has to come to the marker lights, so that way you're actually continuously you can be able to see what's behind you. That's a simpler way instead of trying to find the reverse wiring all the way down. If it's like a regular vehicle, that's much easier, but RVs, I don't want to get a hassle of finding the reverse wire, and then how am I going to bring it all the way up there, right? So yeah, and then the screen just gets plugged to your 12 volt on the front of the car. So that's a very simple way. And then whenever you want to back up, if it's daytime, you just have to turn on your headlight and then back up, and that's it. So simple system. So I'll let you know after I finish. All right, hope this helps. All right, so as you can see now, the camera, I'm using T-Tap connectors. You can YouTube, if you don't know how to use T-Tap connectors, you can YouTube, it's very simple. So the positive and the ground are ready. And then from the RV, the marker light, I cut it here. So now the T-Tap connectors are ready for the positive, for the negative. So now, all I have to do is just slide this in here, red to red, blue to blue, and then put the wires all the way in, and then basically I need to screw here very well and make sure you use a good sealant so that water doesn't go through all these holes, and secure with a screwdriver with a screw. That's it, and then we're gonna test it. All right guys, it's working. I didn't install it to this proper place, but I made the camera look toward the sky. You see the sun, it's recording the sun, so it's working. All I have to do is just plug it to this 12 volt outlet, and if I just turn this off, right, you can control it right here. That's it guys, that's how you do it, simple way. Hope this helps. Ciao.